suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Alright guys, so how you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jenner for the new guys. Got my mother-in-law here. What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
Your camera shy or no?
No, I'm good. What's up? Hey, you want me to back it up for you?
Oh yeah, bro. Alright guys, this is Emerson. I was working on the car, bro. Was it a little bit?
It was a bitch.
Well, you're honest about it.
What's up?
You're honest about it.
I'm generally proud of how fast I can work on suspension stuff. Especially since I was like a suspension tech when I was in college. Okay. But then this thing took 2.5 days just for the front.
Oh wow.
Because of how limiting the control arms are for how much you have to like slide it down. I basically had to like drop the whole spindle just to get like the OEM strut out. But once it came together, it was alright.
The rear was easier than the front?
Oh, the rear one's like maybe like an hour.
Question, do they still have to settle?
It's already settled.
It's already settled, okay. Ooh. The fitment is perfect on this car, guys. That's Emerson, guys. That's the guy that pretty much worked. Main reason I love this thing. I think I believe it's hoverboard.
This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire.
Alright guys, so on top of having the coil lowers, you also need to have a sensor canceling, right?
Yeah.
So Emerson's gonna explain to us a little bit about that, but
you can probably get your camera in there. It's right on the. You can see it zip tied to the shock body.
okay, there you go. Yeah, I like the colors, mostly black and red.
That's our prototype colors.
The prototype color. Yeah, I remember.
Yeah, it helps us kind of because like we have to do batches in our colors. So when it's prototype, we'll just go with black just to kind of help.
On the cameras,
yeah. So your ECM is kind of looking for a particular resistance when it's connected to the shock, and for the adjustable damping. If you remove that to install coilovers, then it's not getting like a closed circuit. So the car thinks you're driving around with that suspension, and that's when it throws like the check engine light. Or it'll put the car in lit mode. It'll put the car. It won't let you like change to like sport settings for your engine. Right. And it'll basically just tell you to like go to the dealer.
Pretty much.
Some Japanese cars, like the kind of like, for instance, like Hondas and some other cars, it's passive. Right. So it'll give you a light telling you like hey, I don't know what's up with the shocks. I can't adjust it. Yeah. But then it won't restrict the performance of the car. Gotcha. So those cars is fine, but cars like this, cars like the BMW M3, and like the kind of the more higher end stuff. It's a little more intricate.
They need it. Yeah. they're more picky.
Yeah. Unfortunately, we're not there when it comes to that kind of like electrical engineering. So we can't produce the resistors, but it's nice that there are other like aftermarket companies taking care of that.
This one's KW, right?
Yeah.
The KW sensors, canceller sensors, right?
Yeah.
That's good to know, because I think nobody knows about this car. Like, you know, when I got this car, I know it had like magnetic suspension, is what they call it, right? Well, every time you change the settings, the sport settings.
It's people kind of ask us that all the time, like what the benefits are of getting rid of the electrical shocks. Right. And the kind of funky thing about it is you don't always necessarily need stock. I mean, like a stiff suspension. Let's say you're GMR Willow Springs, super bumpy track. You want to drive in sport mode, but you want a still like compliant shock.
Right.
You put it in sport mode with your stock shocks, it'll just put it in stiff, and you might have a hard time dealing with the road surface. It's kind of convenient to have independently adjustable from what the manufacturer thinks the car should run.
I think I sure have already.
It was when the car first released, we couldn't do anything because of that lip mode. So that's why for the longest time we only had arms and
I thought exhaust
the lowering
too.
spring.
Yeah, I also saw exhaust
because we had one for 6 months, but then we were kind of limited on what we can develop at the time. So once we saw that KW dropped the resistors, it was like, okay, we can do coilovers.
We can do coilovers.
Yeah,
it's good to know. It's good to know this because I think most people don't know about this.
Yeah.
So this is only on coilovers, but if you go on springs, you're still okay with the sensors.
Yeah, because you're still using the stock, the OEM shocks.
Not OEM shocks. So it's only when you do coilover. Okay. All right, guys. So that was Emerson, guys. I do appreciate this, bro, a lot, man. Like thank you so much, bro. I do appreciate this a lot, man. Like, they work on the car. The car's looking sexy again. All right, guys. So we're driving back in the Stinger. We're back in the baby. I do notice a little bit of stiffness on the steering wheel, which is normal. That's what happens when the car goes low. But this car's actually not done yet. I mean, with the suspension, it's done. You know, we're gonna test it out right now. I mean, it already got tested, but you know, I gotta test it myself. But from now, we got 2 more things we gotta do. There once, but I mean, it's actually a need. And this car needs brakes already. It's already about to hit 38,000 miles right now, and we gotta go ahead and do R1 concept brakes. So we're gonna work with R1 concepts again. We're gonna go ahead and do that. Give me 1 second, guys. Putting in my GPS right here. Okay. So we're gonna do R1 concept, guys. You guys will see the brake kit that we're going for. Got a sweet deal on them, so and I'll pass that on. And rear tires. This car needs rear tires, so you know, fitment is good on 255s, the stock ones. We're gonna go just 1 number up, 265s, just because I went up 1 number on the front when I got them. I got new tires on the fronts I would say like 4 or 5 months ago, so they're still relatively new. So we went up 1 there. I'm gonna go up on the rear, so alright, guys, so second stop, concept 3. Obviously, guys, they're gonna help me with the lugs and they're gonna help me with the tires, fam. But for now, let's check the nice ride. You guys saw the ride on the Stinger. I got a 2-minute video. Check the link. You guys will see the Stinger. But now this one is actually their K5, which I'm showing you guys a little video here. But if you guys want to see a nice, you know, proper video, you guys will see in a couple of days. So I could probably actually upload this one, the K5 video, beforehand. But anyways, guys, concept 3 is the way to go when it comes to KTM, guys. I'll be talking rims wise in a minute, but let's just get on with this video with the K5.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
I didn't add no lip kit, nothing. Yes, it's easy to thank you, bro. Alright, guys, so this will be the last stop for the car before the show. Obviously, you know, Herbert Tires will hook me up and help me out with the brakes every time. But yeah, car should be easy to do now. He was just telling me, he gave me shit because on the Camry when I brought it here, we had to customize the calipers, kind of shave down a little bit because the rim style was hitting the caliper. So this one has the Brembos, they're not floating, so it should be good. Fingers crossed, like he said. I was like, don't jinx me, bro. But yeah, so car's drop off. This is the last spot, guys. From here, I'm gonna get some food. I'm starving, and I'll see you guys at the show pretty much after this showtime. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, fam. Stinger's getting sexier and sexier, guys. It's moving way faster than the Camry within a year, you know, of owning the car. So anyways, guys, stay tuned for the show. See you next time. Woo! Before I go, guys, I want to show you a little something that I've been seeing every time I come to Herbert Tires and I pull up on the freeway here. This 86 is, every time I come, it gets better and better. It's been like a year coming around here, over a year. getting better and better, looking sexier. Beautiful car, man. All right, guys, stay sexy. All right, fam, so I lied. I was actually gonna finish the video there, but last minute, we got Custom Tony behind me, guys. As you guys know, we make parts for the Camry, for Toyota, for Nissan, for Honda, but now we're gonna be doing something else. I talked to them a couple months ago about the Stinger, and it's happening. So stay tuned, guys, because we're gonna be talking a little bit about it. We're gonna make a whole video about that, so stay tuned for that next video, fam. And now I can officially say, after the detail on in a couple of days. See you guys at the show. And I promise you, this is the last minute of the video, right? So I am gonna be doing a giveaway, guys. On the next video that I'm gonna be posting, it's gonna be like how to change the cover of the blowout valve and the intakes. I'll be showing you guys all the details and what stuff I'm actually giving away. All right. I am gonna be doing a full-on post on Instagram, so follow my Instagram, Jenner Boyka. Check it out, look into it, because it's gonna be my next post coming up, most likely this upcoming week. So I have everything specified, written down, and everything for everybody to see on top of having the video, guys. All right, fam? Like always, guys, it's not just about the car. So stay sexy, guys. Next time.